no shits. Do you see what I see? Crooked ass posing, dope fiends. I got these hitters on my back, so my strap is loaded. This shit so damn scared, no shits.
Welcome back to my channel.
Oh, shit.
This is... Introduce yourself.
Jaxton.
Yep. And this is...
Nico.
I don't know where the fuck he's
You
at.
don't know where I am.
Bro is
I'm
like...
gone.
Oh, there you are. And you guys know me. Dun dun dun. We're, going into the cheese factory for reals this time. All the way in. Let's do this. I know who brought this here.
A couple of rules. No stealing, no vandalizing, and don't point your flashlights up to the sky.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nico needs those rules. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, they're not cooperating tonight.
What is it?
The masks.
It's all good. You're chilling. Brother.
I hate these things.
You're right. Explain other new places.
Well, then why did you come?
Because I gotta live life.
Don't point your flashlights at windows either.
Don't point it there. Nico.
Downstairs.
Yeah. Bitch, please.
Exploring them.
Yep. It's a dead cat.
That's a dead cat, so
That was there before. You can go down there.
I'm going the other way. You're going there. That's just a lot of air last time I went here.
Jackson, is that your last name?
No.
Let's see here.
Just go downstairs.
Huh?
Just go.
It's a dead cat.
Yeah. So I told me about that.
I'll follow you. No,
Okay, we'll send Nico first. Nico, you're going first.
Oh, that's cool.
Downstairs.
I'm not going for the downstairs.
How about we both go on the same stair?
Alright, you take the cat side.
Why are you so scared of it? Was it a cat or something?
Yes. He just like curled up there and died.
Oh, that's so sad.
Poor thing.
Hell no. Nico, go cross the back.
Go what?
Go cross the back.
No.
No, go cross the back.
Okay, I hate that stuff right there.
That's just controlled.
Did you put that there?
Can't believe there's still a ladder right there.
For real. I don't know what that was. I stepped on something. You wanna go through there?
What?
You wanna go through there?
If you want to, you can.
I'm not going alone.
Just video it, like extend your screen.
I'm climbing now. What's it looking like?
It looks like it used to be somewhere.
Probably some hobo that lives there.
So we're just looking. Guys,
What?
I stepped on something. I can literally feel it. I can feel it.
What?
Just stay close. I think so. I can't keep my balance.
That's right there.
These are my best shoes, believe it or not, by the way. So these are my best shoes, believe it or not.
I feel like I see.
What?
I said, look, I feel like I see. I've already been here.
After that, I would like to be. I was close to getting the Western sticker in the hill.
Alright, but then you want to call it?
Sure. That's good enough. That's good enough. Don't.
The moment I stepped in that, I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna leave it there for a minute.
What?
That's the ceiling that's like totally collapsed.
Oh.
So it's like you can see everything.
Okay, okay.
Where did it come from? Like, I don't know.
Watch your step.
Who's that? Damn.
Yep. We're back. What do you rate the experience?
Besides the dead cat, pretty chill.
What about you?
It was fun. Good first one for me.
Yay. Okay, that's it.